In this class we are discussing about operations on matrices. So in operations on matrices we are discussing about addition of the matrices. We are discussing about addition of the matrices. Next to scalar product of the matrices. Properties of addition of matrices. Next to product of the matrices. Next to properties of product of the matrices. These things we are discussing in this operations on matrices. First one, what is the addition of the matrices? See, A and B are any two matrices. A and B are any two matrices. The addition of the matrices is existing when if they have having same order. A and B having the same order, then the sum of the matrices is existing. The sum of the matrix is we denoted as A plus B. Sum of the two matrices A and B denoted as A plus B. And what are the elements in A plus B? So the elements, the A plus B in the matrix A plus B elements are the sum of the same position elements, corresponding elements. Same position elements called what? Corresponding elements. That is the addition of the matrix. Otherwise, one more definition you see. A is equals to Aij m cross n, B is equals to Bij m cross n are any two matrices. The sum of the matrix A and B denoted by A plus B. A plus B is equals to C matrix Cij m cross n, where Cij is equals to Aij plus Bij. You see one example, then you will get idea. First, example number 1. A is equals to x, y, k, l. Next to B is equals to A1, A2, A3, A4 is it. The sum of the matrix, how we are writing? A plus B is equals to x, y, k, l plus A1, A2, A3, A4. So this result is equal to x plus A1, y plus A2, next to k plus A3, next to L plus A4. Okay? Understand this one? You make an idea. One more example you see, example number 2. A is equals to 5, 6, minus 7, 8 is there. B is equals to 2, 3, 4, 9 is there. So A plus B is equals to sum of the corresponding elements just 5 plus 2, 7. This 5 and this 2, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. Minus 7 plus 4, minus 3. 8 plus 9, 17. This is the result matrix. Understood? Like this, we are adding the matrices. You see one more example. Example number 3. A is equals to 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. B is equals to 8, 9, 5, 3, 2, 6. So A plus B is equals to, once you write the matrix A and B, 5, 6, 7, plus 8, 9, 5, 3, 2, 6. This is equals to what we are getting? 1 plus 8, you observe clearly. 2 plus 9, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 6. The result is equals to what? 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 9, 11, 5 plus 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 6, 13. This is the result matrix. Like this, we are finding the addition of the matrices. Next, multiplication of matrix or matrices by scalar. You see, A is equals to Aij is any matrix. A equals to Aij is any matrix, and k is the any scalar. That means any constant. K is the any scalar. The scalar multiplication of the matrix is denoted by K. The scalar multiplication of a matrix A is denoted by K. K is equals to K into Aij. Matrix K into Aij. That means what? Every element in matrix A, multiplied by K. That one gives the matrix K. K is the scalar constant. A is the matrix A. You see one example. A is equals to 5, 6, 7, 1, 4, 8 is there. We need to find 2A. 2A is equals to 2 into 5, 6, 7, 1, 4, 8. 2 into matrix A substituted. This result what we are getting? Every element we multiply with 2. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 1, 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. This is the result matrix. Like this we are finding the matrix. Okay. Next, negative of the matrix A. Negative of the matrix A we denoted by minus A. Minus A is the negative of the matrix A. Negative of the matrix A, minus A is equals to minus 1 into A we are writing. Minus 1 into A we are writing. That means in matrix A, every element is multiplied with minus. That result matrix gives the negative of the given matrix A. Understood? So you see one example. Example, A is equals to 2, 4, 6 minus 8 is there. Minus A is equals to minus of 6, 4, 2, 4, 6 minus 8. You multiply with every element multiply to minus 2. So minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus of minus plus 8. This one gives the minus A. That is negative of the matrix A. This is the negative of the matrix. Next, differences of the matrices. Differences of the matrices. See now, A is equals to Aij is M cross N. When it is difference is existing, if the matrix is in the same order. If the matrix is in the same order, then the difference of the matrix is existing. The same order matrix, that means M cross N matrix, two matrices are there. A is Aij, B is Bij. The difference of the matrices is denoted by A minus B. This is nothing but A plus minus B. A plus minus B. What is the minus B? Negative of the matrix B. Negative of the matrix B. How we are finding the negative of the matrix? Every element is multiplied by minus 1. We already used the last property. So the differences of the matrix is nothing but the sum of the matrices A and minus B. The sum of the matrices A and minus B is the differences of the matrix A and B. So this is equals to A minus B gives the one more matrix Cij of M cross N, where Cij is equals to Aij minus Bij. This is the Cij elements. You see one example. Example number 1. Let A is equals to 5, 6, minus 1, 3, 2, 4 is there. And matrix B is equals to 2, 3, minus 8, 8. Next to 4, 5, 6 is there. So A minus B is equals to 5 minus 6 minus 1, 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 3, 8, 4, 5, 6. The result is 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3, minus 1 minus 8, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 5, 4 minus 6. this is equals to 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 3 3, minus 1 minus 8 minus 9, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 4 minus 6 minus 2. This one is the difference of the matrices A and B. That is A minus B is equals to this one. Like this we are finding the differences of the matrices. So in this video what we discussed: addition of the matrices, scalar product of the matrices, negative of the matrices, and differences of the two matrices. Okay. See now, properties of matrix addition. Properties of matrix addition. See, first one, matrices, the addition of the matrices is follows the commutative. Addition of the matrices is follows the commutative. That means A plus B is equals to B plus A. Right? Second one, this is what? Commutative. Next, second one, the addition of the matrices is satisfies the associative. What is the associative? A plus B of plus C is equals to A plus of B plus C. So it satisfies the associative and commutative. And there exists additive identity. What is the additive identity you see? If A plus O is equals to A is equals to O plus A, then O is called additive identity on the addition of the matrices. Right? Here O is called null matrix. O is the null matrix of order of A. A is order if A order is 2 cross 3, then O order also 2 cross 3 1. Right? So addition of the matrices, which property satisfying? Commutative law, associative law, existing identity. Next, additive inverse we see. Additive inverse. If A plus B is equals to O is equals to B plus A, then B is additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of A. That is B is equals to minus A. B is equals to minus A. Nothing but the additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of A is minus A. Additive inverse of A is minus A. Next, we have some scalar properties on addition of the matrices. You see, that is the fifth property. Here A and B are any two matrices and K and L are any two scalars. A and B are what? Any two matrices. K and L are any two scalars. Here A and B are of the same order. A and B having the same order. For in that first property you see K into A plus B is equals to Ka plus Kb. Ka plus Kb. Second property, next K plus L into A is equals to Ka plus Kb. Ka plus Kb. Next K into La is equals to L into Ka. L into Ka is equals to KL into A. KL into A. These are the properties of scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication of the matrices. Next, multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices, you see, A and B are any two matrices. The product of the matrices or multiplication of the matrices A and B we denoted as A into B. Here, when the product of the matrices is existing, so that one you see, the number of the columns in matrix A, the number of the columns in matrix A equals to number of the rows in matrix B. Then the product of the matrix A and B is existing. Understood? Which are equal? Columns in A equal to rows in B, then the product of the matrix is existing. You see now, A is equals to Aij, M cross N is the one matrix. B is equals to B, JK, N cross P is the one more matrix. These two are two matrices. The product of the matrix is denoted by A dot B. A dot B is equals to Cik of order M cross P, where Cik is equals to the summation of sum of Aij into Bjk, like this we are writing. You see one example, you see by seeing one example you will get idea. You see one example. A is equals to one. First I am checking 2 cross 2 matrix product I am showing now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise you take any constants you take it now. How I am writing, clearly observe it. A1, A2, A3, A4. This is the matrix here. B is equals to B1, B2, B3, B4. So this is the 2 cross 2 matrix. This is the 2 cross 2 matrix. The number of the columns in A, this one, is equals to the number of the rows in B. So these are equal. So the product of the matrix is existing. Right? Now the product of the matrix, how we are finding this? Here AB is equals to what we are asking. Solution: A into B is equals to A1, A2, A3, A4 into B1, B2, B3, B4. Right? This is equals to, how we are writing? You take rows in first column, the columns in second matrix. The rows in first matrix, the columns in second matrix. You take and you take the sum of the product. You clearly observe it. So A1 into B1, first row into first column I am writing. First row, first column means one position element. This one, right? So A1 into B1 plus A2 into B3. First row, first column, one position element I write. Next this one, 2 position. That means first row, second column you take it. First row A1 into B2 plus A2 into B4. You observe clearly. Now second row, first column. This one second row, first column. So second row, first column you take it. So you product and sum. Sum of the product you write. A3 into B1 plus A4 into B3. Next second row, second column. That is A3 into B2 plus A4 into B4. This one gives the product of the matrices A and B. Once you observe clearly, then you will get idea. Okay, this is the product of the matrix.